Hi guys. It's Monday. Look, this is Daisy. Her name's Daisy Cupcake. She's brand new to us. Isn't she so cute? Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Okay. Anyway, happy Monday. I hope you guys had a good weekend and enjoyed some of the weather. I wanted to record a quick video to tell you what to expect over the next 2 days. Um, excuse me. So as of yesterday, or as of Friday, you were supposed to read through page 39. I have my book here. You were supposed to read through page 39, or if you were reading digitally, it's the line, he knew that when she pulled her hand away from his face, it was wet. So at this point, you have read pretty dramatic scene that's going to be pivotal in Guy's life. So all I'm going to do for today is I'm going to give you just like 5 more pages, 6 more pages to read. So that way tomorrow when we log in for our group chat, you will have some really good stuff to talk about. So for those of you reading in the book, and I will post this on Classroom after this video, but for those of you reading in the book, you're going to read to page 45. And it says, the hound, he thought it was out there tonight. It's not there now. If I opened the window, or sorry, it's out there now. If I open the window, he did not open the window. Okay, so that's on page 45. There's a little line break after that. And I will post that line on Classroom for those of you who are reading digitally or whose page numbers don't align. This is going to give us a little bit more dramatic information that we can talk about with our groups tomorrow. So hopefully you got on and you saw who your group is. Yeah, so if you requested a different time because you wanted to sleep in longer, I'm not granting you that time. You can get up by 10 o'clock one day. You normally are at school at 7:45, so you can get up one day by 10 o'clock or 10:45 and make that meeting. We'll talk for about 20 minutes. That's it. And I just want to hear your thoughts on what you've been reading. If you're confused about the mechanical hound, we'll talk about it. If you're confused about anything, we'll clear it up. I do want to show you one thing because I learned this fancy new trick that I could do. Watch this. Ready? Bam, look at that. Okay, so this is the slides that you that are on Google Classroom that had all the discussion questions. And these are the questions. I put these questions on the slide. So these are the questions that we'll talk about tomorrow, but we'll also just see if there's anything else that you want to talk about. So just maybe read over these today, read those extra 6 pages, and then be ready to click on the link in your email. The link will come to your email tomorrow. About 5 minutes before you're supposed to log on, I will send you a link in your school email for you to click on, and that will get you to join our video chat session. Okay. If you didn't see what time your video chat session is, it's posted on Classroom, the color-coded chart. If you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, just have that reading done. After tomorrow's check-in, I'm just going to give you the rest of the first section of the book to read, and then we'll recheck in probably Thursday. Okay, so anyway, I hope you're hanging in there, and I'm excited to see your faces tomorrow. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Okay, have a good day.